the Filipino people are expecting you to be politically neutral. You should be apolitical in every way. And the only time that you will be allowed to express your political biases is when you exercise your right of suffrage. Pag boto nyo, doon na nyo inilabas yung inyong mga biases. Other than that, you're not allowed. Am I correct? So, because of that, in your exercise of your right to suffrage, kaming dalawa ni Senator Bongo ay gustong magpapasalamat sa military and uniform personnel during the local absentee voting. Dahil ginawa nyo number 1 si Senator Bongo, ako number 2, at yung PDP Laban ay tinulungan nyo. So this might be a political statement, but wala nang eleksyon ngayon. So gusto lang namin magpapalabas ng aming gratitude to the military and uniform personnel during that election na binigay ninyo ang trust sa amin. And after that, no more, no less. Kalimutan na niyo kami because you have to remain apolitical the rest of the way. Kaya I hope that you remain steadfast in maintaining your values na huwag kayong magpadala sa politika. Whatever the political climate sa Pilipinas ngayon, magulo man, stressful man, huwag kayong magpapa-apekto. You remain loyal to the Filipino flag, remain loyal to the Constitution, and loyal to the Filipino people. Forget about politicians. That should be the case. Am I correct? So yun lang ang aking pag-iusap sa inyo. Sana, huwag na huwag kayong magpaggamit sa mga politiko. Never. Never kayo magpapagamit. Alam ko naman kayo, hindi kayo nagpapagamit. Mataas yung standards niyo. And I'm very confident na hindi kayo magpapagamit sa politika. Yun lang ang pakiusap ko sa inyo. In behalf of the 20.7 million Filipinos who voted me during the last elections, I am appealing to you.